Now, this is going to be the toughest and the boldest claim you ever heard in chronic pancreatitis. Yes, ये सबसे बड़ा क्लेम होने वाला है. आप पैनक्रेटिस के बारे में कभी सोचा ही नहीं होगा कि ये ऐसा कोई बोलेगा. I am going to talk about the cure of pancreatitis. I am going to talk about the cure of pancreatitis. Yes, I am talking about the permanent cure of pancreatitis. I know this is the first video on this channel, and let me be very straight. Chronic pancreatitis. Yes, chronic pancreatitis is a reversible and curable condition. I know as soon as I say this, there are going to be many different opinions, many skeptics who will be talking about this. No, it is not possible. It is not possible. There is no treatment. There is no medicine. But hold on. I am Dr. Ravi Vairagade, genetic health expert, mind transplant specialist, and with this 25 years of experience, I am working only in genetic, incurable, critical, and absolutely hopeless diseases where there are no hopes. In my experience of this 25 years, what I found that any disease which is not curable is not because it is actually incurable. It is because nobody ever tries to cure it. Now let me come straight to chronic pancreatitis. You must be a chronic pancreatitis warrior, or somebody in your family may be suffering from chronic pancreatitis. Now if he is suffering from chronic pancreatitis, or if you are suffering from chronic pancreatitis, check out your medicines. Check out your medicines. What medicines are you taking? Is there any medicine which can reverse or cure chronic pancreatitis? Answer will be no. And if there is no medicine which can reverse or cure chronic pancreatitis, however you can think that chronic pancreatitis cannot be cured or can be cured with these medicines. So if you never ever try to cure chronic pancreatitis, how you can get the cure of chronic pancreatitis is my simple question. I need answer for this, because it is going to be very profound. You tell me, maybe you may be taking an enzyme. Enzyme is given to give pancreas a rest, but taking a rest cannot stop the disease process or cannot reverse the disease process. It can just relieve some pain by aiding or helping in digestion. That's it. Okay, next step, you may be taking some painkiller. Now this painkiller will kill the pain. It cannot do anything more than that. Or maybe it is an anti-inflammatory agent. Hence it is reducing inflammation. That's it. But can it reverse? No. Can it cure? No. Why? Because it is not made for that. Simple. Okay, another thing you may be taking probably is multivitamins. Now can multivitamins cure? No, obviously not. Another thing you may be taking is antioxidants. Now can this antioxidant cure? No. Now you may be taking anti-acidity measures or proton pump inhibitors like rabeprazole, omeprazole, pantoprazole. Now can these cure? No, my dear friends. Sadly, none of these medicines which you most probably are taking can cure pancreatitis. In fact, there is no medicine you are taking to ease the inflammation completely, reverse the disease cause and cure it. Then how can you expect to cure if you are not taking any medicine for cure, or if you are not following any measures for cure? So here is the channel. For the first time, advanced pancreatitis cure. For the first time, this channel have been launched with the only aim of permanent cure of chronic pancreatitis. Yes, I am Dr. Ravi Vairagade, consulting homeopath, and all the credentials I told. I hold 25 years of experience and I have so many testimonials which I will be posting after this. If you are having a challenge of chronic pancreatitis, or somebody in your maybe relation, friendship, or whosoever is having chronic pancreatitis, please share this video with all of them, with all of the group. Let this be the debate point. Yes, I am inviting all the debates. Let here be the debate point to decide why I am saying the disease can be reversed and cured, and why everybody else is saying it cannot be reversed and cured. Simple, straight. And I will be talking with evidences. I will be talking about evidence based, I will be talking about people testimonial, and I will be talking about the genetic treatment of chronic pancreatitis. I am sure you are going to love this. I am sure your life is going to change. I am absolutely sure that your new life starts from this channel. So subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, and share this as wild as possible. Let the people gather here to debate, because this debate, whatever the answer comes, is going to change your life, is going to decide your life. So get active, share it like a wildfire, and let us see what everybody says and what I give evidence based. So are you ready for a life change? Are you ready to cure and reverse pancreatitis? If yes, let it be open. Let it be open. I am not doing any bold claims or tall claims. Let it be very, very open. I am going to give you evidences. I am going to give you testimonials. And I am going to give you all your answers. So whatever you feel your questions are, write in the comment box. Whatever you feel your doubts are, write in the comment box. And let us check what is truth and what you know. And I am sure you are going to learn something life changing here with so many testimonials which are going to be posted on this channel. So are you ready? I am sure you are. Be open minded. Let us learn something new, and let us see whether pancreatitis can really be reversed and really be cured, or it is just a myth. I will be open. I am sure you are also open. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.